The first question is, if A and B are two sets such that NA union B is 50, NA is 28, NB is 32, find NA intersection B. So we have direct formula, NA union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. So here we have 50, 28, 32, all the values are given. NA intersection B can be found out by 28 plus 32 minus, that is 60 minus 50, that is going to be 10. So NA intersection B is 10. Next question is, if P and Q are two sets such that P has 40 elements, P union Q is 60, P intersection Q is 10, you have to find NQ. Again, same formula we are going to use with P and Q. NP union Q is NP plus NQ minus NP intersection Q. This is 40, this is 60, this is 40, this is 10. So NQ will be 60 minus 30, that is 30. Next question is, in a school there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics and physics. So mathematics or physics, that is union. This is given as n, number of teachers is given as 20. This is 20. Of these, 12 teach mathematics. So NM is 12. 4 teach physics and mathematics. So physics and mathematics intersection is, this is 4. How many teach physics? So NP has to be found out. Again, we have direct formula. NPUM will be equal to NP plus NM minus NP intersection M. So this we have to find out. So just take these two here, it will be 12. So there are 12 physics teachers. Next one is, in a group of 70 people, 70, that is total number of people are 70, then 37 like coffee. So NC, number of people who like coffee is 37. Then 52 like tea. So NT, 52 like tea. Then each person likes at least one of the two drinks. So each person like at least one of the two drinks. How many like both coffee and tea? So coffee intersection tea we have to find out. Again, because NP total number is given, NC and T is also given, we have to find NC intersection T. So this NP is nothing but NC union T. This is 70, this is 37, this is 52. NC intersection T will be equal to 19. So 19 people like both coffee and tea. Next one is, let A and B be two sets such that NA is given as 20. And A union B is 42 and NA intersection B is 4. We have to find NB first. So how this NB will be found? We have the direct formula. NA union B equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. This is 42, this is 20, and this is 4. So we just find out NB. That is going to be 42 minus 20 plus 4. It is 26. Okay, this one is 26. Now coming to the second one, that is NA minus B. We have to find NA minus B. For that you have to understand that we will use one equation which we are going to use in the other questions also. That is A minus B. This is A, this is B. So what is A minus B? All B removed from A. So this is A minus B. This is NA minus B, right? Now we have A intersection B, which is this one. So if you combine this, it will be NA. So N can be written as A minus B union A intersection B. NA minus B can be written as this NA minus B, and these two are having nothing common. These two, this one and this one, they have nothing in common, so they are disjoint. So NA will be equal to NA minus B plus NA intersection B. Okay, because A minus B and A intersection B are disjoint. So here we have to find NA minus B. NA we know, this is 20. NA intersection B also is given 4. So NA minus B will be equal to 16. Then same thing we are going to do with B minus A. Okay, how we are going to write B? B will be equal to B minus A union of A intersection B, or B intersection A. So these are two disjoint set as I just showed you. Let me show you again. So this is A and this is B. This is A, this is B. So what is B minus A? This part. And what is A intersection B? This part. They both are disjoint. But if you take the union, it will come B. So when we can write this, NB will be equal to NB minus A plus NA intersection B. This is 26, this is 4. This we already found out in the first part. So this B minus A, NB minus A will be equal to 26 minus 4. That is going to be 22. Next question is, in a survey, it shows that 76% of Indians like oranges. So NO, that is number of people who like oranges, is 76. So because it is a percentage, the total number will be 100. That is the NP, that is total number of people will be 100. Or you can say O union B. You can also say that. Then we have 62% like bananas. So NB, 62% like bananas. NB will be equal to 62. Now we have to find NO intersection B. That is this O. What is this O? Oranges. And B is banana. So we have to find the percentage of Indians who like both oranges and bananas. So NP will be equal to NO plus NB minus NO intersection B. This is 100, this is 76, 62. This we have to find out. It will come as 38. And this will not be written like this. It has to be written in the percentage form. So 38% of Indians like both oranges and bananas. The next question is 1.8. Now, in this, the question is 7. In a group of 950 persons, 750 they can speak Hindi, and 460 they can speak English. Find how many can speak both English and Hindi. That is, we have to find H intersection E. So we have the number of people, we have Hindi, we have English. So this H intersection E can be found out using NP, that is the total number of person, H union E. This P stands for H union E, equal to NH plus NE minus NH intersection E. So what do we get? You take these two, combine them and just subtract it with 950. So you get 260. 260 persons can speak both Hindi and English. The next being asked is, how many speak Hindi only? Hindi only. So, see, from Hindi, if we subtract the English, then only we get only Hindi people. That is, H is the disjoint union of H minus E and H intersection E. You already know this. That is, H can be written as H minus E union H intersection E. And these are two disjoint sets. That is, if this is H and this is E, then H minus E is this one, this portion, and H intersection is this one. So they are disjoint sets. So H is equal to, if you combine them, you get an, if you combine both of these, you get an H. Now number of element in H is equal to, because they are disjoint, so you can just write NH minus E plus NH intersection E. But NH is known to us, 750, and NH intersection E we just found out, that is 260. So the people who are, or persons only speaking Hindi will be 490. Next one is, how many can speak English only? So here E minus H we have to find out. Same thing we are going to do here for English now. E minus H union H intersection E or E intersection H. They are disjoint, so we can just write NE equal to NE minus H plus NH intersection E. This we know already, 460. This we have already found out. So just subtract them, you get 200 persons that can speak English only. The next one is 1.8, question 8. And the question is saying that in a group of 50 persons, 14 drink tea but not coffee, and that is 14 drink tea but not coffee, and 30 drink tea. We have to find how many drink tea and coffee both. That is T intersection E. We have to find out T intersection C, coffee. We have to find out. And how many drink coffee but not tea? So coffee but not tea. Coffee but not tea. So here we have this NP we take as the number of persons, and T take the number of person who drink tea, and C stands for people who are drinking coffee. Now the total number of person is 50, and this T minus C, which is those 14. 14 is what? 14 is those who drink tea but not coffee. So tea and not coffee. So T minus C. And we have to find actually C, this T intersection C. This I showed you, right? So T minus C is 14, and the number of people who are drinking this tea is 30. Now, and T intersection C, we have to use this again and again. Okay? This you have to understand for solving any of these questions. This may come. So T equal to T minus C union T intersection C. This we already know. I explained you earlier also. So T minus C and T intersection C, they are disjoint. Actually, this T and C, then this portion is T intersection C, and this is T minus C. So if you take the union of this, you're going to get a T. So they are disjoint, but that is, there is nothing common between these two. So T will be T minus C union T intersection C. So NT will be equal to NT minus C plus NT intersection C. This is 30, this is 14, and this is T intersection C. T intersection C can be 30 minus 14, and it is going to be 16. So 16 persons drink tea and coffee both. Now the next part is asking how many drink coffee but not tea. How many coffee but not tea? If I can show you, this was the first thing was asked, and this was C minus T was the second thing being asked. So C minus T, again we'll write this NP as NC plus NT minus T intersection C, because we need to find out NC first. So NC will be equal to 50. This is 50 known to us. This is T, and this is T and coffee. We just found out 16. So this number of people who are interested in coffee is 36. Now C can be written as C minus T and T intersection C union. This already we know, right? This we already shown. So NC will be equal to NC minus T plus NC intersection T. This is 36. This one is 16. This one is 16. Because T intersection C you say, or C intersection T you say, it will be 16 only. So this will be 16, this is 36, and NC minus T will be 30 minus 16, 36 minus 16, that is going to be 20. So 20 persons drink coffee but not tea. Next one, in a survey, 60 people are being surveyed. It was found that 25 people read newspaper H, 26 read newspaper T, 26 reads newspaper I, 9 reads both H and I, and 11 read both H and T, H intersection T, and 8 both T and I. 3 read all newspaper. So H intersection T intersection I is 3. So here we have to find out H union T union I. That is, how many people who read at least one of the paper. The first part is how many of these read at least one of the paper is H union T union I. So we have NP as 60, NH 25, NT as 26, and NI as 26. All these are known, and these intersections are also known. So this intersection is 9, H intersection T is 11, T intersection I is 8, and H intersection T intersection I is 3. So we know all these. Now let us put it here. We know that A union B union C is NA plus NB plus NC minus NA intersection B minus NB intersection C minus A intersection C, and then the intersection of all these. So all these values are known to us. It will directly come as 52. All these values are known to us. So 52 people read at least one of the newspaper. The second part is that the number of people who read exactly one paper. So how do we do it? So this is H H, I and T. So this represent if I can make a Venn diagram out of it, HTI, this the shaded portion I'll just make will be the number of people who read newspaper H only. Only H, only I, and only T, right? So all of this is 25 people read newspaper. First of all, the number of people who reads H only, first of all, this 25 is the total number, and 25 from the, because the newspaper being read by H, I am talking about the first, this one, H is 25, but we have to subtract this and this, that is 8, 3 and 6, minus 8, minus 3, minus 6. So this is going to be 8. Again, now coming to the T. So 26 people read T. So again we have to subtract from T, this one, and this one. That is 26 minus 8 plus 3 plus 5. This 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 5 we already know. Okay? We already know these values. 8, 3 and 5. This 8, 3 already we know, and this we have all just applied there. NH. So 8, this plus 3 plus 5 to be subtracted. This is going to be 10. And the number of people who read newspaper I only, for this only I, we have to subtract this. So 3 remains for them, and we have to subtract this one, and this one. So we subtracted from 26 this number 6, 3 and 5. So it is going to be 12. Now this one we know, and this one know exactly what they read, exactly one newspaper, and just add this 8, 10 and 12, and that is going to be 30. Next is of the member of 3 athletic teams in a certain school, 21 are in the basketball team, 26 hockey team, 29 football team, 14 play hockey and baseball. Let me write it as B only. And then 15 play hockey and football. Then 12 play football and basketball. 8 play all of these 3 games. So 8 is F intersection B intersection H, B, F, H, right? So we have H intersection B, we have H intersection F, we have F intersection B, we have F intersection B intersection F, NB, NH, NF is also known. So we have to find how many members are there in all. So we have to find this simply NP, that is total number of people. That will be NB plus NH plus NF minus NB union H minus NH intersection F minus B intersection F plus B intersection H union F. Basically we have to find out B union H union F, and when you compute this is going to come as 43. In a group of 1000 people there are 750, so there are 1000 people, and in this 750 who can speak Hindi, 400 who can speak Bengali. How many can speak Hindi only? So how many of these are Hindi? How many can speak Bengali? And how many can speak both Hindi and Bengali? So Hindi, Bengali, and Hindi and Bengali. So NP is the total number of people we assume, NH as the number of people who speak Hindi, NB as the number of people who speak Bengali. So NP is 1000, NH is 750, and NB is 400. So we have this P as H union B. Why? Because number of people are nothing but the H union B, that is the number of people who are speaking Hindi and Bengali. So we just take a union. So NP will be what? NH union B, and H union B is nothing but NH plus NB minus NH intersection B. This already we know. H union B, NH union B is NH plus NB minus NH intersection B. So NP is 1000, NH is 750, and NB is 400, N intersection B, that is people who are speaking both Hindi and English are going to be 150, right? So 150 people can speak both Hindi and English. Now we have to write H as H minus B union H intersection B. This you already know, we have explained it a lot. So NH is equal to NH minus B union, or you just have to say plus here, and H intersection B. This we already know, 750 Hindi. This we have just found out, 150, and H minus B will be 600. For finding B minus H, now we have to find out this B minus H. So B minus H can be written as what? First B can be written as what? B minus H union H intersection B. So NB can be written as NB minus H plus NH intersection B. So this is 400, this is 150, NB minus H will be 400 minus 150, that is 250. 250 people can speak Bengali only. The next question is, a survey of 500 television viewers produced the following information. Now 285, this is total number of surveyed, the 500 television viewers, this is 500, so NP, that is the total number of television viewers, is 500. Then we have 285 watch football, so 285 watch football, and 195 watch, this is H, so H for hockey, 195 hockey, 115 they watch basketball, so B, and football and basketball 45, and football and hockey 70, and hockey and the basketball is 50, and 50 watch hockey and basketball, this already we did, and this 50, this is very important. See, 50 do not watch any of the three games, so this is nothing but, see, this is when you are talking about no watching, that is, this is N, F dash, H dash and B dash intersection, right? So N, it not watching F, not watching H, not watching either B, all of these three they are not watching. This is 50. I hope you got the idea. So when you apply the De Morgan, it will be N, F, union, H, union, B, complement. This is what it is. This is F, union, H, union, B, complement. I hope you got the idea. F, union, H, union, B, complement is nothing but, yes, complement is 50. But we know that this can be written as F, N, F, union, H, union, B, complement is nothing but the total one. That is, if you take, say, A dash will be what? Universal set minus A, and A will be equal to universal set minus A dash. In the same way, F, N, F, union, H, union, B dash, this B dash is total. B dash is equal to NP, that is the total number, minus F union, H union, B. Same thing. Okay. So now we'll apply the formula. We know that this is N, F, union, H, union, B is what? This we know. This is 50. As I said, this is 50. That is 50 do not watch any of the three games. So this is 50. And this is 500 NP, NF, NH, NB, F intersection H, H intersection B, F intersection B, and then plus F intersection H intersection B. This we applied the formula of this one. So this is 500. This already we know. We have applied the formula. All these content we know. This we have already shown here. So this will come as NF intersection H intersection B as 20. So what we are trying to suggest here is, this is, say, football, this is basketball, and this is hockey. So NF intersection H intersection B, that is how many watch exactly this, how many watch all the three games. All the three games, it is coming as 20. This is F intersection H intersection B, that is the first part. How many watch all the three games? It's 20, right? So how to find out that number of people who watch exactly football, only who watch only football? So those who watch only football is this one. And how do we get it? Let us say this is A, this is B, this is C, right? This is A, this is B, this is C. So this F total is, this total F is 285. So this total is 285. Then this is the intersection between F and B, that is F intersection B is A plus 20. This one is A plus 20, F intersection B. So it is A plus 20, that is A plus 20. And what is F intersection B? It is 45. So A is 25. So this is 25. Similarly, come here. This one. F intersection H is what? F intersection H is what? 20 plus B. So 20 plus B is F intersection H. What is F intersection H? This one, 70. So B will be equal to 50. So B is 50. This is 50. Right? And what is C? 20 plus C. That is B intersection H. B intersection H is 20 plus C. B intersection H, this one, is 50. So 50 is equal to 20 plus C. So what is C? It is 30. So now this is 30. Okay. Now number of people who watch only football, that is this one. So total of this, total F minus A minus 20 minus B. I hope you got the idea. So F minus 20 minus A minus B. So F 285 total minus this 50, this one 50 and 20 and 25. So 50, 20 and 25. This is 190. Now coming to number of people who watch only hockey. So this one is the hockey. So total of H is 195 minus B, which is 50, minus 20 minus this C. C is 30. So 50 plus 20 plus 30 minus we'll subtract it from 195. It is 95. Only watching H. Now only watching B is this one. And this what? How do we get? B minus A minus 20 minus C. So this is A is 25 and C is of course 30 and this is 20. So 115 minus 25 minus 20 minus 30, this is 40. Okay. So number of people who watch exactly one of the three games. So this portion and this portion and this portion, we got 190 and 95 and 40. Just add them. These are the number. That is 325 people watch exactly one of the three games. Now in a survey of 100%, it was found that 28 read magazine. So say NP is the total number of persons. NA is is denoting the number of people who read magazine A. So 28 is NA. Total NP is 100, right? 30 read magazine B. So 30 read magazine B. Then 8 read magazine A and B. 8 read magazine A and B, A intersection B. And then this C. What is this C? Magazine C. So 42 reads magazine C. Okay. Now A intersection C, that is, this is 10. So 10 read magazine A and C. 5 read magazine B and C. And finally B, C, this is 3 read all the magazines. So N A intersection B intersection C is 3. Okay. So we have to find out, first of all, there are two parts of this question. How many read none of these magazines? So we have first the formula of NA union B union C is NA and B and C, then minus NA intersection B and B intersection C and A intersection C, and then NA intersection B intersection C. This formula we know. AB for ABC, this is the formula. We know all these values, just put in here, it is 80. But this is NA union B union C is 80. But we have to find the complement. That is, this is the read, that is how many read all the three magazines is this one. But we have to find how many read none of these magazines. So we have to take the complement. So we have to take the complement, and we know that if you want to take a complement, say A complement, you have to subtract it from the universal set. So this you have to subtract from the universal set. So 80 has to be subtracted from 100. So 100, that is NP minus NA union B union C. 100 minus 80 is 20. I hope you got this idea. Okay. Now, what all we got in this? The second part is how many read magazine C only. How many read magazine C only? Okay. For that, let us say this is magazine A, this is B, and this is C. So we have to find this portion or only C, this portion. This portion. So what is the total number of C? It is 42. So we have to subtract this portion, and this portion. This portion, and then this portion. Okay. So how to get it? We know that the NA intersection B intersection C is 3. This is 3. And then we have NA intersection C also. NA intersection C is 10. Because it is 3, so it has to be 7. Now, B intersection C is also known. B intersection C is what? It is 5. So if it is 3, it has to be 2. So we have to subtract this C. What is the total number of C? It is 42. We have to subtract 7, 3 and 2. That is minus 7, minus 3, minus 2. Then you get this portion. This is going to be 30. This is the 30. Next question is, in a survey of 100 students, the number of students studying the various languages were found to be this one. English only. English only is 18. So English only is 18. Then we have, let me make a Venn diagram also, so that we do it by two methods. Let us this be A, B, C, and this is D, E, F, and this is G. And this is for English, and this is for Hindi, and this is for Sanskrit. So first of all, we have NP, total is 100, E but not H, E but not H. E minus H is 23. Then we have E intersection S, that's English and Sanskrit is 8. Only English is 26. And then we have the number of persons in Sanskrit is 48. Sanskrit and Hindi is 8. And then this is very important. No language. No language. So 100 are total, and no language means E union H union S complement. E union H union S. Just take all of them and complement. So this is 24. So 24 is what? N E intersection U H union S intersection. So A intersection can be written as universal set minus A. Always it can be written as. So this can be written as U is NP, that is total, minus A, that is you just take off the complement. It will be N E union H union S. This is going to be equal to 24. So 100 minus 24, you bring it here. So E union H union S is 76. Now we can apply the formula. N E union H union S is NE plus NH plus NS minus NE intersection H minus NH intersection S minus NE intersection S and plus NE union A intersection H union S. If this is union, this has to be intersection now. Now these all values are known. This we just found out to be 76. This already we know it is 26, right? It is 26. Then all these values are known. Just put in here. This is given here. It will come as 18. 18 students were studying Hindi. Now we will try to solve it using here this version, right? We'll try to solve here. First of all, if you take this only English. That is, how many numbers are only English? This A, only English. A is 18. Only English, this one. Then we have the 23rd, which is English but not Hindi. So English but not Hindi. So we have to take these two off. So this will be A plus D. A plus D is 23. Then English and Sanskrit. English and Sanskrit means D plus E. This is going to be 8. Then English is 26. So how many English is there? A, B, E, D. A plus B plus E plus D is 26 English. Now Sanskrit is how much? 48. Sanskrit is D, E, F, G. D plus E plus F plus G is 48. Then we have Sanskrit and Hindi. Sanskrit and Hindi is E plus F. So E plus F, Sanskrit and Hindi is 8. And no language is of course 24. So total one is 76 we found out. That is A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G. Total is what? 76. So total is 76. So it is 76. Right? Now, the important thing is what all we have and how to get the other values. We'll try to solve that. We have to find out how many students were studying Hindi, this one, through this method. And then how many students were studying English and Hindi. So English and Hindi is this one. English and Hindi is B plus E. So A is 18. What will be A plus D? See, I'm putting A here. So 18 plus D will be equal to 23. So now A is 18, D will be what? 23 minus 18, that is 5. So D is 5. Right? D is 5. D plus E is 8. D plus E is 8, 5 we know. So D plus E, so 5 plus E equal to 8. So E will be equal to 3. This E is 3. Now A plus B plus E plus D. A plus B plus D, E plus D. So AD we know. AD we know. 18 plus 5 plus 3. A is 18 and D is 5 and E is 3. We have to find out B. So it will be this plus B equal to 26. Right? It will be 26. And this is going to be 18 plus 5, that is 23. 23 plus 3 is 26. And B will be 26 minus 26. So B will be 0. So B will be 0. I hope you got the idea. Now coming to here, D, E, F, G. So what is D? 5. E is 3. F we don't know. F we have found out. F is this one. So let me just go here. E plus F is 8. So E plus F is what? 8. E we know. 3 plus F equal to 8. F will be equal to 8 minus 5. 8 minus 3, that is 5. F is 5. So F is known to us. So 5 plus 3, I'm taking this, right? D, E, F, G. So D is 5, E is 3, F is 5, and G we don't know, equal to 48. So G will come as what? See, 5 plus 5, 10, 10, 13, 48 minus 13 is 35. So A, B, C also. C we have to find out. Do we have any formula here? We have any formula? No, we don't have. With C, do we have any one of this? So there is, yeah, this one. A, B, C, D, all of these we can take. Because all A is known, D is known, E is known, B is known, F is known, and G is known. So C has to be found out. So we just take final one. That is, total of all these, 18 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 35, and subtract it with 76. So this C will come as 76 minus all this addition, and it is going to come as C. C will be, just let me add 50. This is 40. I'm just adding these, right? All these we have to add and just subtract it. So 50, this is 40, and this 8, 18, 8 is 26, 26 and 40, and this is going to be, again, there is one more thing which we are going to get, which is the C1, and this is going to be 10. Okay, C is now 10. So now, what we have to find out first of all, that is how many Hindi. So B, E, F, C. B plus E plus F plus C. And this is going to be B plus, what is B? B is 0 plus C, that is C we just found out to be 10. So C is 10 plus F. What is F? F is 5. And then we have B, C, E, F. So B already taken, C we have already taken 10, B, C, E 3 and F 3. 3 is also there. 3. So 10 plus 5 plus 3 is 18. So number of Hindi is 18. This is how we found out. So this is one method, this is another method, whichever way you want to do. Now the next one is Hindi and English. Second part is Hindi and English. How many students are studying Hindi and English? So here you see Hindi and English can be easily found out using B plus E. So B plus E is nothing but B is 0 and E is 3. So it will be 3. This second part, this is the first part, first answer of first part, this is the answer of the second part, 3. This is the second part. 3 students are studying both English and Hindi. Now next one is, in a survey it was found that 21% like P1, 26 like P2 and 29 like P3. So NP1 is 21, NP2 is 26, and P3 is this P3 is 29, then P1 intersection P2 is 14, P1 intersection P3, that is P1 and P3 is 12, P2 intersection P3 is 14, and then we have 8 which is liked by all of them. How many liked product P3 only? So how many liked product P3 only? Let us try to understand here. This is P1, this is P2, this is P3. Okay, so P1, let me take it like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So it will go like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? So what do we get here? This P1 is total 21. So A plus B plus D plus E. This whole, whatever comes in P, you have to write A plus B. This is 21. Then for the second one, which is P2, B, E, C, F. So B plus E plus C plus F is 26. Then the third one, that is D, E, F, G. D plus E plus F plus G is going to be 29. I hope you got it. Now the intersection part, I'll write it here. That is 14. First, this is 14. P1 intersection P2. So what is P1 intersection P2? B plus E. B plus E is given as 14. Then again we have one more 14, which is this one. P2 and P3, E plus F. This is again 14. Then third one is E plus F. That is P2 intersection P3 is already done. P1 intersection P2 already done. Now P1 intersection P3, that is D plus E. This is given as 12. See, it is given as 12. And this common E, P1 intersection P2 intersection P3 is given as 8. This is 8. So E is 8. So if put here, B will be what? 14 minus 8. B will be 14 minus 8. That will be 6. Then E plus F. Put E here. F will be 14 minus 8. So F will also be 6. Then here, okay. B also we got, F also we got. Now D plus E. E is what? 8. So D will be what? It will be 4. So B, F, D is known. B, F, D is known. Let us write all these here, in here. So what do we get? A plus B plus D plus E. And actually we have to find out 11% like P3. How does it come? We have to find out the number of people liking P3 only. So P3 only liking will be this number. This number. So how do we get? Let us see. Now A plus A, this B and D we know, 6 and 4. So we put 6 here and 4 here. So A plus E will be what? 21 minus 10, and it will be 21 minus 10 is 11. Now here B is 6 and F is 6. So E plus C will be what? 26 minus 12, and that is going to be 26 minus 14. Here D is 6 and F is 6. So E plus G will be what? 29 minus this 29 minus 6 plus 6. See, D is 6, F is 6, 12. 12 minus this one. So you get the value as D, E, F, anything, all. Yes, we have E also here. So D, E is 8. So D is 4, E is 8, and F also we know 6. So now this is 10, 18, minus 18. So G will be 29 minus 18, which is 11. And what is the, what do we want to know? We want to know this G only. That is, how many liked only P3? This is G, and G is 11, and this is the answer. This is the answer. So this may seem somewhat complex at the first time, but when you do it, do the question like this, it will be quite easy to solve like this.